Solving exercise 2.3, question number 2. Here we have 5t minus 3 equals 3t minus 5. Now, solving this, here we have 5t minus 3 equals 3t minus 5. Shifting this 3t to left hand side, here it is plus, here it becomes minus. So here we have 5t minus 3t minus 3 equals minus 5. 5t minus 3t gives you 2t minus 3 equals minus 5. Next, shifting minus 3 to right hand side, here it is minus, here it becomes plus. So, here we have 2t equals 3 plus 3 minus 5. 2t equals 3 minus 5 gives you minus 2. Shifting this 2 to right hand side, here it is multiplied, here it will be divided. T equals minus 2 divided by 2. This gets cancelled, we have minus 1. T equals minus 1. Now, here we have the equation. This is the equation. We need to check this. This is called the right hand side of the equation, and this is called the left hand side of the equation. Now first let's consider left hand side of the equation. 5t minus 3 equals, substituting t equals minus 1, this will give you 5 multiplied by minus 1 minus 3 equals 5 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 gives you minus 8. Now let's consider the right hand side of the equation. 3t minus 5. 3 substituting the value of t minus 1 minus 5. 3 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 gives you minus 8. Now here we can see that LHS and RHS both are same. That is, LHS is equal to RHS.